I'd rather be fishing right now, to be honest with you, but my name's Enzo Mancini. My job title here is production worker. I work in final car. There's 3 push pins that I put in to hold the hood cover on the inside, the heat shield. There's this tube they call the snorkel. I tighten that down. Everything's there, but the doors, there's a few more parts that's going into the front of the engine and they drive it out. I'm kind of the older guy there, and if I ever fall behind a little bit, they give me a hand. They've got a bunch of people. It's a little fast-paced. Once you get used to the job that you're doing, it comes easier after. Hard work does pay off. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do something when most of the time you can. Don't be negative about things. My work ethic mostly comes from my dad and my mother pushing me to work hard. You work hard, you get what you want. And if you don't, work harder. I've been married, actually next month I'll be 39 years. I have 1 son, Luigi, and 2 grandsons, Enzo and Rocco. This place, it supports me pretty well. You gotta treat this place as if it's your own, as if these are your vehicle that you're working on. So that's how it should be. The money's great, the company keeps moving forward, and it's a good career over here.